Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming your Poco model and MIUI version so you apply the correct removal steps. This avoids trial and error. Once done, make a quick backup and connect to Wi-Fi to speed downloads. Now open Settings and go directly to Lock Screen and Password. You're looking for personalization, ads, and recommendations toggles. Do not install third-party launchers yet. Work within MIUI settings first so you know which ads are built into the system. You'll now remove ad targeting by turning off the advertising ID. Go to Passwords and Security, Privacy, and disable it so apps can't personalize ads. Next, return to lock screen settings and explicitly toggle off recommendations and promotional content. This stops most lock screen banners. Then check additional settings for region. Changing region to a less ad-heavy locale can reduce system promos. Make sure to reboot after toggles. Once you restart, inspect the lock screen to confirm the changes took effect. Finally, remove residual adverts by clearing cache and data for MIUI ad services. Open Apps, show System Apps, find ad or recommendation services, and clear data. If ads persist, use ADB to disable specific package names. This is more advanced, so follow exact package names and keep USB debugging enabled. If nothing stops recurring ads, perform a factory reset after a full backup. This removes deep setting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.